Canvas by Augay. Introducing the perfect fusion of art and functionality, the Canvas chair. Crafted with innovation in mind, this chair is not just a piece of furniture, it's a masterpiece. The chair's elastic fabric, adorned with a canvas texture and a chair drawing, adds a touch of artistic elegance to any space. Whether you're reading a book, sipping coffee, or simply admiring its beauty, the Canvas chair offers comfort and style in one seamless package. Transform any room into a gallery of contemporary design. The portable kitchen hood. The small extractor is the ultimate kitchen companion, tackling cooking smoke and vapors at the source. With dual filters, it effortlessly purifies the air. The front oil filter traps fats for a clean kitchen. Its ergonomic handle ensures easy mobility, allowing you to position it wherever needed. Plus, its space-saving design lets you hook it up when not in use. The small extractor is your recipe for a smoke-free, fresh kitchen, enhancing your cooking experience and letting you breathe easy. Doorstep by Rightline. The doorstep is a game-changer for anyone tired of struggling to reach their vehicle's roof. This hassle-free solution makes loading and securing car-top cargo, canoes, kayaks, and bikes a breeze. Beyond gear, it's also perfect for washing your vehicle's roof. Designed with comfort in mind, Doorstep provides a balanced standing position and a secure platform for your feet, eliminating the need for dirty shoes on seats, step stools, or ladders. Whether you're vertically challenged or have a tall vehicle, Doorstep transforms how you handle your gear, making every adventure easier. It's your key to effortless rooftop access. Introducing the future of travel, flip-up riding suitcase. Your travel experience is redefined. Comprehensive coverage of your route, whether you're walking or riding. Before your eyes, it's a carry-on. But with our patented flip deformation design, it becomes your stress-free riding companion, bringing endless possibilities to your journey. No need to worry about finding a power source, just turn it on and off, and charge it whenever you want. With a maximum battery life of up to 7 kilometers on asphalt roads and 13 kilometers in the airport, the Chingda S1 ensures your travels are seamless. Laserpecker. The Laserpecker is a compact laser engraver that is designed to be easy to use and easy to move from place to place. The size and flexibility of the Laserpecker mean it's a compact laser cutter that specializes in laser engraving. In the package, you do get some sample materials to use with your first projects, including a piece of wood, metal tags, and several gloss acrylic cards, but there isn't an onboarding project tutorial as you'd find with other laser machines. Wolffepack. The Wolffepack is a game-changer for those constantly on the move. Its innovative design allows for quick access to belongings without ever taking the backpack off. The ease of use and unique swinging mechanism make it a standout choice for urban commuters or outdoor enthusiasts. The build quality and functionality make the Wolffepack a practical and stylish companion for those seeking convenience in their everyday adventures. Little ELF. The Little ELF is a handy gadget that lives up to its name. This compact and versatile tool makes wrapping gifts a breeze. Its design is intuitive, and the ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip. The Little ELF simplifies the gift wrapping process, making it enjoyable and efficient. Couples Umbrella. The Couples Umbrella by Enapy is a practical and charming solution for staying dry together. The thoughtful design allows for close sharing under its spacious canopy, making rainy days a bit more enjoyable. With its stylish design and functional appeal, the Couples Umbrella by Enapy is a great addition to any rainy day outing. Swiveling Colander. The swiveling colander is a kitchen game changer. The The smart design with peg inserts ensures easy draining as the colander swivels away, preventing mess. The pour spout adds convenience, allowing water to flow out seamlessly. The versatility is a standout feature. Use the colander and bowl together or separately for various kitchen tasks. Nubrella. The Nubrella is a revolutionary take on hands-free weather protection. This wearable umbrella offers a unique design that keeps you dry without sacrificing mobility. The hands-free functionality and aerodynamic shape make it stand out from traditional umbrellas. Whether facing rain or shine, the Nubrella provides a stylish and practical solution for staying comfortable and dry on the go. The Webcam. The Webcam is a visionary blend of technology and art. With its lifelike and expressive design, this webcam adds a touch of personality to virtual interactions. The attention to detail in creating a webcam that resembles a human eye is both captivating and innovative. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, the Webcam delivers clear and reliable video quality, making it a functional and eye-catching addition to any workspace. Curved toaster. Curved toaster by Arctos is a delightful departure from the typical toaster design. The innovative use of cylindrical mica sheets and a vertical nichrome wire not only prevents bread from sticking but also molds it into a uniquely curved shape. The circular slot and capacitive touch switch enhance the user experience, allowing for easy customization. The resulting curved toast is not only charming but also practical, fitting seamlessly into your hand for mess-free toppings.
Hey guys, this is Megan and Madison here with Great Idea. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let everyone know in the comments below what you found to be the most interesting and why. Also, if you haven't done so yet, make sure to hit the bell notification next to the subscribe button to stay up to date with all of the latest videos here. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.